Welcome to Think App. Today we will make a new project which is Pedometer, an app which will calculate the steps. Click on New Project and type project name Pedometer like this. Now it's opening. So this is our user interface. We will drag and drop a vertical arrangement here and make its height fill parent and width fill parent and rename the screen title to Pedometer App like this. Now we will change the background color of the vertical arrangement to yellow like this. Now we will make its align vertical to center and align horizontal to center. Now I will drag and drop one button and rename it to start and change its background color to green and save and text color to white and font size to 25 like this. Now I will copy it and paste it 3 times and I will rename them also. Second button I will rename it stop and third I will rename it as reset. For stop I will change the background color to red and for reset I will change the background color to blue like this. Now I will drag and drop 2 labels. Label 1 and make its text to 0. Make its font size to 30 like this and another label and remove its text like this. Now I will scroll up, down and click on sensors. Here we can see pedometer, a component that acts like a pedometer sensor which senses motion through accelerometer. I will drag it and drop it into our main app like this. So this was the user interface or design of our app. Now we will code for it. So go on blocks. Here we can code for it. So when button 1 dot click, set button 2 dot enable to false to true. I will duplicate it 2 times and when button 1 dot click, set button 1 dot enable false and set button 3 dot enable false, so that whenever a person clicks on start button, it will disable start and reset and enable stop. I will duplicate it 2 times so that when button 2 dot click, set button 2 dot enable dot false, set button 1 dot enable dot true and button 3 dot enables true. Like this. Now call pedometer or pedometer and when button 1 dot click, call pedometer dot start. When button 2 dot click, call pedometer dot stop. When button 3 dot click, call pedometer dot reboot. Like this. Now drag and drop here. Set label 1 dot text to get simple steps like this. Duplicate it and set label 2 dot text to distance like this and drag and drop a 0 here so that when button 3.click, which is our reset button, label 1.text is equals to 0. So label 1, set label 1.text to 0 like this. So this was the code of our app. Now let's see how it works. So this is the working of our app. We have coded for it and now we will test it. I will click on start and I am now walking. It is calculating the step as well as distance in meters. Now it has, I will stop it and now I am moving but no steps are increasing. I will test it again by clicking on start button and move. It is moving. Now I will click on reset button